Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge A1 Mover speaking test. Good morning.
Morning.
What's your name?
My name is Golpo.
How old are you?
I'm 7. I'm 8 years old.
I'm 8 years old. Okay, Golpo. Now let's start with the exam. Here you can see two pictures. The pictures are same, right? But there are some differences. Can you find me the differences?
The girl eats the sandwich.
In the picture 1, okay.
In the picture 1. In the picture 2, the girl eats salad.
Okay.
In the picture 1, there are 2 bags. In the
Okay.
picture 2, there are 3 bags.
Okay.
In the picture 1, a boy.
What is he doing? Taking picture. The boy is taking
a picture. In the picture 2, the boy reading a book.
Reading a book. Okay. Here the boy.
The man has
curly.
Earlier, picture 2,
The man has
straight hair.
Okay, thank you. Now moving to the second part. So this is a picture story, right? What you can see in the first picture?
In the first picture, mom
tells to
boy
to go out, right?
to go out.
Okay, in the picture 2,
The dog found a bag.
Okay, in the third picture?
In the picture 2,
3.
In the picture 3,
Mom
calls a bag
owner. Okay.
In the picture 4, the boy
Got a gift
from the
bag owner, right?
Bag owner.
Okay. The boy is happy, right?
The boy is happy.
Okay. Now, in the part 3, here are some pictures. So, find the different one. Like in the first line, which one is different?
Book.
The book is different. So, why different? Because
These
are fruits.
These are fruits.
Like this is lemon.
This is
pineapple. This is orange. Okay, we can eat them, right? But we cannot eat book. We read book. Okay. Now in this line, which one is different? This one is different. Why? In this picture, the girl
the girl buy a bread.
And here they are painting, right?
They are painting.
Okay. In this line, which one is different?
Elephant.
Why elephant? See, this is blue whale, this is a small fish, this is bear, this is elephant.
This is a small fish.
The small fish is different because
this is big.
Okay, good. Now, which one is different here? Swimming because washing car, washing
hair,
and washing dog, right? And he is swimming. Okay, that's the end of part 3. Now I'll be asking some questions about your family. So, how many people are there in your family?
I have 5. There are 5 people in my family.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 elder sisters.
Okay, that's good. What does your mother do?
My mother is a businessman.
Okay, businesswoman. Okay, who cooks in your family?
My mother and my grandmother cooks in my family.
Okay, that's nice. So, do you go shopping with your family?
Yes, I go shopping with my family.
Okay, that's nice. So, who do you play with at home?
I play with my sister at home.
I play with my sister at home. Okay. Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Okay. Thank you, Golpo. That's the end of your speaking test. Say hi to the audience. Hi.